Good evening traders and Assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Today I'm gonna do the forecasting of all JPY's pairs. But before that, I just want to request you, all of you guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my next upcoming videos. So now I'm gonna start the JPY, all JPY pairs excuse me, forecasting. As you can see, a lot of things on my computer screen, as these red lines, as I already explained in my previous videos, these red lines belong to my resistance level and the blue one are my support level. So let's see what's gonna happen with JPY pair. That's USD JPY daily chart. Okay, so right now trend is down, but right now this pair is not on my resistance level, not even on my support level. Whenever it's come to my support level, I will buy. When it goes to my resistance level, I will sell. But right now it's on down. If this pair will go up till that level or that level, I'm gonna definitely sell. But if it will come down from here for this level or here, so I'm gonna buy this pair. So there is no trade right now to take any trade, to place a trade, because this pair is in between. So I will wait for the confirmation and then I will place a trade. Let's move on to another pair. Next pair, that's GBP. There you go. That's New Zealand. That's New Zealand JPY. As you can see, trend of this pair is down, and the guys who are in my paid group, they knows that we sold this pair from here. We can buy from here, but it's a bit risky because I'm looking this pair to go down a lot. I'm looking this pair to go down at least this level, but it's not gonna happen in 1 day or 2 days. What I am expecting from this pair is, right now trend is down, but it will go up from here little bit and then it will fall. So I will wait for the confirmation and I will wait to go New Zealand JPY to my resistance daily and weekly resistance level, then I'm gonna solve it. Let's move on to next pair is CHF JPY. Yep, CHF JPY. Right now CHF JPY is in between and trend is up. It's very confusing and it's running sideways. So whenever market runs sideways, I will not trade. So for me, there is no trades for CHF JPY. Let's move on to GBPJPY. As I told in my previous video as well, the GBPJPY will have a best place to buy. As you guys, some of you guys knows or not, Boris Johnson are appointed as the UK Prime Minister today. That's the reason pound is go a little bit up. But till 30th of October, pound will stay in pressure because the Brexit thing gonna be happen in 30th of October. So I am a big fan of buy GBP for long term, but it will not go up a lot till 30th of October. So we can do trading in GBP, but it's a short time, like 100-200 buy. Don't sell GBP, because if you stuck in GBP, it's gonna rule your account. So what I'm gonna do, like buy GBP from where we find a trade and then 100-200 pips and then we close it and then buy again. This is gonna happen at least for next couple of months, and after that, so from GBP GBPJPY is that's the good area for buy, but we still can wait GBPJPY to come little bit down for that level or that level, then we're gonna buy. Then from this level maybe it will go up till here or from this level. So I'm a fan of buying GBPJPY. So we will wait for confirmation. It will go a little bit down, then you guys can buy, and then it will go up. Let's move on to next pair. That's our next pair is CAD JPY. Yep, CAD JPY. We can buy CAD JPY, but it's a bit risky because it will near to our support, but it's little bit risky, so it will come down. Then I'm gonna it will come down. Then I'm gonna buy CAD JPY and then wait for this level. When it reached to that level is on my daily resistance or monthly resistance, then I'm gonna definitely save CAD JPY. Yep. Let's move on to another pair, which is Euro JPY. Guys, that's the best time to buy Euro JPY because it's already on my support, monthly support, and already crossed my daily and weekly support. Is on my monthly support, so I'm gonna buy this pair from the current level, and it will go up from here. Yeah, it will go up from here till at least this level. So we can buy Euro JPY for long term. Let's move on to another pair. The cool AUD JPY. I'm expecting this pair to go down, to be honest. As you can see, guys, I have one sale as well. As you can see, this green line, I sold this pair, so I'm expecting this pair to go down to that level. When it will come that level, it's about 75, then I'm gonna buy this pair. So I will wait. Excuse me, I will wait to come this pair to that level, and then I'm gonna buy. Here you go, guys. That's the forecasting of all GBPY pairs. So guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can be updated for next videos. And guys, if you need any kind of guys, these are the forecasting, not the signals. If you need signal, there is a link in the description of my Telegram channel. You can click that channel and you can contact me on Telegram as well at UK Pro Trader. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching, and inshallah I will come with the next video. So thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Good night. Bye.